Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Mr. HR. Today we are giving you the best update on work from home opportunity guys. Okay, which organization is hiring and in which domain they are hiring, in different department they are hiring, like finance, sales, marketing and HR field. So I'm going to explain one by one. First, the organization is Fresh Prints guys. Okay, they are hiring in a different moment. First one is finance associate, as a designation is finance associate. If I explain you the roles and responsibilities here, okay, main responsibilities are, okay, monthly job costing reports, quarterly sales tax reports, profit and loss statements, commission reports. If you are selected, you will be work on these fields. Okay, managing the general payments by controlling the edit cards, excess and payments. It's all related to the payments. Okay, so it's depend upon it, and there is the 3 rounds of interviews are there. If you click on the apply link, you will get the assessment. If you clear it, every interview process happens in 1 to 2 week process. Okay, there is no a long period of time. It will take not long period of time. So it will be the interview schedule and whatever the process is just happens in 1 to 2 weeks. If I explain about requirements, 2+ years of experience in finance related preferred guys. Okay, experience with the creating reports and on a regular basis. Some experience with Excel. If you have Excel skills like MySQL, it's going to be a bonus for you. Okay, if I explain about you the compensation and benefits, about the payment is going to be in dollar guys. Okay, per month they are providing the $780. Okay, it's going to be work from home. If you are selected all the routes of interviews, they will provide you the work of home setup. Okay, work from home setup. The working hours should be Monday to Friday, 6:30 p.m. to 3:30 a.m. About this and another, if I explain another one, okay, the same organization hiring in different like marketing and marketing associate, and also for inside sales associate. Okay, if I explain on the marketing associate guys, they're also hiring. And here the main important thing is guys, 1 to 2 years of experience is marketing is going to be best. Both verbal and written communication is going to be skills you have should have. Team collaborate, comfortability working in an very adaptability in your side is going to be preferred for this organization. And second, compensation here, the guys, the compensation benefits are, they are providing you the monthly basis. It's going to be a night shift, $700 per month, $40 health insurance remain. And this is going to be a best opportunity for you, those who are finding their job in marketing field. Okay, it is going to be a work from home. They will provide you the work from home setup. Come to the next one guys, it is going to be inside sales associate. Okay, inside sales associate, same organization, it is also work from home opportunity. Rounds of interview, 3 to 4 rounds of interviews are there. Don't need to worry. And here I explain going to our roles and responsibilities are closing inbound leads and grow the existing accounts, deliver the exceptional kinds experiences, own your pipeline and drive the revenue. Okay, and here the one thing is that if you are a fresher, also eligible guys. Okay, if you have a 0 to 3 years of experience in B2B sales experience, also eligible. Or if you're a fresher, it's going to be a best key factor for you. Those who are finding the job in fresher, this is for them. And here that they will check your communication skill and assessment. There will be assessment will taken from them, so just give the assessment correctly, be patiently. And here they will providing the $700 per month, and there is a huge commission is there guys. Okay, and they also provided the work from home setup and night shift allowances, health insurance and mental health benefits. Okay, and yeah guys, this is going to be Monday to Friday work from home opportunity. The timing will be 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. unless you have another chance is the 6:30 p.m. to 3:30 a.m. also. Okay, this is about the three different domain they are hiring in: marketing associate and marketing associate, intel sales specialist and finance associate. Okay, these are the main important things. Just pause the video and just read the description. If your job profile is aligned with the job description, so go ahead with this. If you are apply, if you click on the apply link, will be shared in the description box. If you click on it, you will get the application form is there. If you fill it, you will get the assessment in 1 to 2 days. If you complete it, the second whatever the interview process happens in 1 to 2 week of process guys. Okay, don't need to worry. And thank you very much for watching this. Keep missing us on YouTube and just hungry for the updates guys. Thank you very much.